Looking for content. Okay, hello. Looking for content that makes complex ideas in AI, crypto, finance, and business simple, persuasive, and profitable. I'm your man. If you are looking for a ghostwriter who understands both traditional finance and crypto investing, I might be one of the few here who can develop. I might be one of the few here who can develop. I might be one of the few here who can deliver exactly what you need because I worked 8 years at Vietcombank and have invested in crypto since 2017. I will show you. Okay, as you can see here, the user registered on December 2017. Okay, so this is my very old account on Binance. Okay, so it has been 7.7 years since then. And this is my portfolio here. You can see is in 1 year it has grown 241.44%. Okay, so despite of the fact that the market is down and the asset report is so that I don't have the profit. P&L profit is minus so despite the fact that the market is down for the last 7 days or the last 30 days, but for the 3 months it means 90 days, but for the 90 days it's still up at 24.74%, and you see the whole year I still have the profit. So my name is Du Michael. I specialize in ghostwriting and copywriting for AI, crypto, and finance and business brands. So you can see I have my post on Binance Square reach 1.2 million views, and another one is an article that reached 200.7 thousand views. Okay, so as you can see, I'm the real deal. I write for myself too. So these are my offers: ghostwriting, copywriting, content strategy. And generic unlike generic writers, I combine financial expertise, real-world crypto experience, and persuasive writing skills. Many writers Many writers can craft words, but they lack industry insight. Many writer Many writers can craft words, but they lack industry insight. On the other hand, I bring both insider knowledge and proven copywriting techniques. Okay, so you can see all of my proof. When you are writing finance or crypto content, only 3 things matter: clarity, credibility, conversion, and without all of this, even the smartest idea won't land with your audience. I know this because I live it. From managing client portfolios at Vietcombank to building my own business as a solopreneur, I use a research-driven story framework to turn abstract financial or technical concepts into narratives people understand and trust. Again, that's why my article on Binance reached 1.2 million views, and another one reached 102, and another article reached 200.7 thousand views. Do you want the same result? Moreover, I am also specialized. Moreover, I am also specialized in YouTube optimization. So as you can see here, I have a video that has 100. So as you can see here, I have a video that has 11.7 million views, and it brings me to and it brings me 14.8 thousand subscribers. I even revive an old video of mine, and you can see here was uploaded on March 14th, and it was uploaded on March 14, 2024, and after 1 year. So you can see here Okay, so you can see here after 1 year it has only so you can see here after 1 year it so you can see here after 1 year it has only if you can see so you can see here so you can see here after 1 year it only had 17 so you can see here so you can see here after 1 year it had only 17,040 so you can see here after 1 year it had only 17,000 views, but when I optimize it, I revise this video and it reached grow steadily, and it now reach 80 and it now reach 80 82 okay and it now reach 82 and it now okay 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 so okay and it now reach 82.1 thousand views and brings me 100 subscriber, more than 100 subscriber, and it brings me 100 subscribers. That's why when you work with me, I will guide you through my 3-step process: deep dive discovery, content strategy mapping, persuasive writing and delivery. But there's a catch. I only work with clients who are serious about growing their brand and value clarity, collaboration, and deadlines. So do I. Even then, I'm often busy with projects both on and off Upwork. So if you see my profile available, it's the right time to connect. So are you ready to elevate? Your brand with high impact content? Let's talk today.